Forgotten username recovery failed on Starling Bank Fix. If your attempt to recover your Starling Bank username has failed, here's the important truth: Starling doesn't use usernames in the traditional sense. Instead, your account is tied directly to your registered email address or phone number, and that's where most people go wrong. When you see username recovery failed, it usually means the system can't match your information, often because you're using the wrong email or phone number. To fix this, open the Starling app and select Having Trouble Logging In. Then choose Forgotten Login Details. Enter the email address linked to your account. Starling will then send you a secure recovery link or verification code to that email. If you don't get the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. If it's still missing, make sure you're entering the exact address you registered with. Even a small typo can stop the system from finding your profile. If you've recently changed your email or no longer have access to it, you'll need to contact Starling's customer support. From the app or their website, choose Chat with Us or Contact Us. You'll be asked to verify your identity using details like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your linked debit card. Once verified, support can manually restore your account access. Most people assume they need a username like older banks require, but Starling's system is built for simplicity. Your email is your login identity. Once you realize that, recovery becomes quick and stress-free. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Starling Bank, the fix is simple. Focus on confirming your registered email or phone number, not a username. With the correct details and a quick identity check, you'll be back managing your Starling account in just minutes.